Turudi tena Garissa, kaunti nambari 7, ambapo muungano wa wahudumu wa afya ya umma na mazingira unataka serikali ya ugatuzi kuajiri maofisa zaidi wa afya ya umma ili kukabiliana na tishio la magonjwa yanayosambaa kwa haraka. Katibu mkuu wa kitaifa Brown Ashira amesema serikali za kaunti zinatumia wauguzi wa kawaida kufanya majukumu ya wahudumu wa afya ambao ni kinyume na sheria za taaluma hiyo.
But look at the workload. The workload of these PHOs has increased, and no wonder you can be able to see the communicable diseases returning and re-emerging again and again. We know what belongs to public health. We know the programs that belongs to public health. We know the scope of public health. These people you are seeing here, they have a practicing license. They are regulated by the Public Health Officers and Technicians Council. IPC, that is Infection Prevention and Control, it is a reserve of public health. Primary health care is a reserve of public health. When we talk about IPC, we mean control. When we're talking about infection control, we're not saying about infection treatment. We're talking about infection prevention and control.
The biggest issues in our county on public health are outbreaks. Outbreaks that are always consistent. You will find we have outbreaks of polio, we have outbreaks of measles, we have cholera in very huge numbers. Currently we have dengue fever and measles. We are currently investigating a case of polio in the DAB, and that is generally the work of public health officers, whom we are talking about unfair treatment by the county.